In this video, I want to explain to you how to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple or more with a leverage of up to 200x. I will explain it to you on my trading platform here, and I will show you how you can do it yourself at home. So the first thing is, where can you do leverage crypto trading? There are many platforms on the internet, but not all offering you leverage crypto trading up to 200x. This here is offering you the leverage of up to 200x, and you also can adjust the leverage after the trade is opened, or you can trade if you want with 50 leverage, you can trade with 10 leverage or 3 leverage. This is all possible with this platform here up to 200x. I'm using Prime XBT. And the next thing is here what's important. If you want to do leverage crypto trading, you have to use crypto futures. These are derivatives, and there are other derivatives which can give you a leverage on crypto trading, but crypto futures, this is a type of financial product, financial instruments you want to trade when you are doing crypto leverage trades, because it's cheap, high liquidity and fast executions here on the platform. Prime XBT is offering this, and you will find the link for the registration of this trading platform in the YouTube description below. We also set some promotion codes where you get 25% less fees with our promotion code, and you get a 20% bonus, deposit bonus for free with our other promotion code. I will link it to you in the description below. So when you want to try crypto leverage trading up to 200x, definitely use this platform. The most platforms are using like 100 leverage or 50 leverage, but here you can use up to 200x on Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum and all other cryptocurrencies. So I'm very confident here that this is at the moment the best leverage trading platform for cryptocurrencies. Also, it got low fees, so you will see this in this video. So after the platform you have chosen, you can deposit money. You can do it here with cards, cryptocurrencies. If you click on deposit here, very simple account open in like 5 minutes. You are in, you can start to trade, deposit with bank transfers, credit cards, other cryptocurrencies. Very simple here. It works so smooth and easy to do. So let's talk about what can you do with leverage. If you are here on the platform, you see on the right side here is the order mask. You can choose the amount of bitcoins you want to trade. We will demonstrate some live trade here today in this tutorial, because I want to do a long position on Bitcoin with leverage. And here on the right side you can add your position and trade it. But what is the leverage doing? This is important to keep in mind. I made some small example here for you. So let's go to the theoretical part. It's very important to understand. Otherwise, you can lose huge amounts of money. If you are trade on leverage, there's always the word margin here. It's a security deposit. You need this margin on your trading account to keep the high position open, so to keep the leverage position open. For example, we have 1000 margin here on the account. You're using a leverage of 200x. This is the maximum thing you can do here. This is a maximum example. So 1000x 200 would be a position size of $200,000. So with $1,000 you could trade extremely $200,000 position size. And yeah, this is the maximum you can do it here with the 200 leverage and the $1,000 margin. I don't recommend you to do this, the leverage thing. It means you can do everything, but you don't have to do it. This is over leveraged here. If you're doing $1,000 in your account and you want to trade like 2 bitcoins with a position size of $200,000, it's over leveraged, and if the price goes against you, you get liquidated very fast. So the platform will liquidate your position and close it because you don't have enough margin to keep the position open. So the 200,000 position size, you see it here. If your 200,000 position size decreases $1,000, your balance is gone and you are done, right? So, but the platform will kick you out before that happens, but you have to calculate it with the big position size. So here's another example. Bitcoin price at $100,000 increases up to $120,000. The Bitcoin price $20,000 goes up. Your position size of $200,000 is now $240,000. So you have a profit of $40,000 and you only used $1,000 of margin. This is insane what you can do here. Keep in mind, extremistic example here. So this is over leverage if you're using only $1,000 in your account. So if you would have an account with like $10,000 balance and you're using the $1,000 margin, it would be better, it would be okay. I will show you that in my live tutorial now. But here you would make theoretically $40,000 profit, and this is insane, guys. This is insane. This would be $4,000 profit increase of this margin. So let's go back to the platform and I will do my trade here and show you exactly how it works. So here the Bitcoin price, it's in the consolidation phase, and I'm thinking this consolidation phase can go up and break through up to $120,000. So here would be my take profit, my goal of this trade, and I will go in here. You can also switch it. We can also switch it here to the days. Let's see it here in this range. Here we have a low volatility phase, and I will mark it to you. So I will go long here, putting my stop loss below here. So when you trade, you need to know where's your stop loss, your risk limit when you do it with leverage. This is important. If you don't have a risk limit, guys, you are done. You are done. You need to be careful. Always set the risk limit to limit the risk and to don't blow up your account. So here I want to go long. The stop loss would be at $93K, $200 around this. Below this low, I think the price will not go lower and it can increase. So let me go here on the right side, and I can theoretically trade 10 bitcoins. I have here over $40,000 on my account, and if I place a stop loss here below, this would be $30,000 if I go 10 bitcoins long. Though this would be too big, I will go here in with 2 bitcoins going long. With a 200 leverage, you see the margin is a maximum $1,000 at the moment, 2,000 with 2 bitcoins, $1,000 I need for it, and I have 40,000 US dollars on my account. So this is the rest of the balance, and keep in mind, don't use all of your balance for the margin, otherwise you get liquidated very fast. You are over leveraged, and yeah, I have my stop loss clearly here below. So let's buy this one. Here you see the specifications, 2 bitcoins. Order value would be 200K, so I'm trading here 200K with an account of 40K balance. Free margin after this trade would be 40K and $300, margin impact 1,000. New free margin, you see $30,000, 255th. Liquidation price would be this. If I get a margin call, it would be dropping below 89,000, but yeah, let me go long here, 200x, you see $80 fees. With our promo code, you get less fees here. This is very cheap here, but with our promo code, save 25%. Link in the description below. Price our buy order, and we are in here, guys. We are in here, guys. I will set up the stop loss right now. It's the 93K 200 and would be $5,000 loss. This is okay. This one, set it, and my trade is here. Clear trade, $5,000 in the risk. We can do $50,000 if the price rising here out of this low volatility phase here. If it rises, I'm in here and I make $50,000. So here you see we can do $50,000 in profit with a $40,000 account with a margin of only $1,000, and this is the advantage of the leverage. We can do much more profit with low leverage. If you set up your risk management with the stop loss, you are good to go, and you can make tight stop losses for a huge profit. I mean, you can set up a tighter stop loss like here, like 1,000 US dollar. Yeah, if you have a small account, make a risk of 1,000 US dollar, you make a tighter stop loss, and then you go long and you can make a much more higher profit with leverage. And this is how you're doing leverage up to 200x. I recommend you don't over leverage. Keep in mind you need some money back on your balance, and yeah, that's how it works. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.